Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. It's a new week here in the crypto market, and of course we're always proposed with new opportunities, and we can see quite a bit of a dip here in the markets. Summer is usually quite a lull for cryptocurrency in general, but both the meme coin and the general crypto markets are just down slightly. The volume is actually looking pretty juicy on the meme coin side. Maybe a lot of whales are catching that dip, but I want to talk about three meme coins that I'm buying into and holding, hopefully to achieve a 10x on my positions. So yeah, things are looking pretty, I would say, good still in the markets on a general rule of thumb. If we zoom out, we're still at a $2.39 trillion market capitalization. And one thing that's very interesting is we've not yet hit a market cap globally all-time high. So that is still a milestone that is pending. And once we tick that off, we could see crypto flying to the $3, maybe even $4 trillion of valuation. Anyway, let's just jump straight into coin number one, which is a new play to earn, which means meme coin. Play Doge. The phrase $4.621 million. One play token is $0.00509, and in just 24 hours, ladies and gents, the price is going to go up yet again. You can buy this on the BEP20 or Binance Smart Chain by connecting your Wallet Connect, Best Wallet, or MetaMask Wallet, and converting either ETH, USDT, or BNB directly into your Play Doge token. So it's a big 90s throwback, as you can see, to the Tamagotchi days. And they've got a mobilized game where you can play to earn and actually earn crypto play tokens whilst doing so. Big throwback, and of course Doge is the theme here. So being a Doge companion game, it does give it that sort of meme touch and that marketing potential for the meme sector. Strong roadmap here, and phase 3 and 4 do hint at the exchange listings, which will be happening on centralized exchange, which is really good to see. Don't know if they're paid with fiat or tokens, but either way, it's always good to have that exposure for extra volume and liquidity. Here we can see the Play Doge token. So Play token features functionality, earning mechanisms, and utility. Big play to earn stuff here, guys. And of course, there's leaderboard rewards, which you can climb up as well. 9.4 billion total tokens will exist. The pre-sale will get 4.74 billion. 4.7 billion tokens sold to them. That's basically you guys or the general public that can actually get into the project right now. So it does look pretty sweet. You can see we've got 4.6k followers here on the Play Doge Twitter, and they are recently, posting out some memes, getting quite a lot of traction and likes. $4.5 million raised. That is quite a lot, to be honest. So pretty good to see this, and I think we could see a 10x potentially here. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research. Crypto is a risky thing, but this is just looking like it's got some hot marketing, decent stuff, and a big community ready to help with the fundamentals. A big culture is waiting. You can see they are also offering staking rewards of 163% per annum right here, which is pretty decent. And those token, they are emission slowly throughout the next sort of 3 years, as you can see. Coin number 2 is a very hot meme coin. The Chinese Donald Trump right here. We've been talking about it for, we've talked about it a bit, but at the moment we can see it's resilient. It's resilient, and it's up, very much up, and it's pledging for the people. This coin right here, Chinese Donald Trump, is a Solana gem meme coin, which could rip another 10x from where we are. Every $10 million market capital milestone they get to, they're burning tokens. And the developers have sold none. The team have sold none. And you can see here you've got Chinese Donald Trump just holding a green candle. So this looks very, very bullish. 3 centralized exchanges have been paid for with just fiat, so the exchanges can't effectively dump the tokens. You can see supply 1 billion tokens, 100% on the burning side. It's a very attractive looking coin here, and even though memes are down, you can see that this coin right here, the Chinese Donald Trump, is holding quite nicely. 376k on the liquidity side of things. Fingers crossed we can see some big play for this token right here. The next target would bring us up to 43%. The target after that on the 2618 Fibonacci takes you to 73%. Week 1 summary. So this coin has existed for a week, and you can see their liquidity is locked in at 376,000. And once they hit $20 million, they're going to burn again. 30 million, burn again. So they're really dangling that carrot out to the meme community. But in week 1, they hit a $10 million market cap. The dev and team sold nothing. The developers also burnt $103,000 worth of the tokens. And you can also see the next burn will happen soon. So it's a rich team, a rich developer. It's Smart Money Crypto who is pushing the project. And he is a fully doxed and KYC'd YouTuber that I really believe would not put his patrons and fans at risk. So yeah, really cool stuff. Everyone is talking about this thing. And yeah, bullish. You can see $100 million is FUD, according to this person right here. So let's see what can really happen. 778 followers. It's not a massive amount, but we're seeing that growth slowly but surely. Are we going to see this coin get to $100 million? It's a big speculation right here. Coin number 3 will indeed be Turbo, and I have indeed bought more Turbo coins. You can see I've now got 4.3k dollars worth, so I put 4.5k total allocation to Turbo. I'm down a little bit, but I have decided to buy and catch onto this dip here for Turbo. If you want to grab Turbo, I mean, that's entirely up to you, but it is down 32% on those 7 days. So do remember that when you're looking for potential bargains out here in the crypto space. You can see that Turbo is down quite considerably from its recent all-time high. In fact, it's down by 59%. So this has actually fallen into my first phase, my very first DCA phase. It's getting closer. On the daily time frame, the RSI isn't quite as low as I want it to be. It's at 40, but on that 4-hour RSI, it's actually come down to basically oversold at 30. So I did end up buying more based on this, and we could even come down to $0.0024, and that would be my next dollar cost average region. My perfect entry would be 0.0038, but we're just above it. We're above it a little bit. So it's not too bad. So for me, I'm going to enter here, and hopefully we'll see a return over the next few sort of months, and maybe even a pump back up to some large levels, 85% on that fib level there. If we test the all-time high, 140%. If we go to the next golden target, we're looking at 220%, so 2x, ladies and gents. There's 3 coins. Just to summarize, we've got Play Doge as number 1. The link is right down below should you wish to buy some of this awesome token. We've also got Chuanpu. The link is also down below if you want to explore this one. Do a bit of research, due diligence on the coin. And then coin number 3 being Turbo, the first meme coin which has been artificially generated by AI for the people. Thank you, ladies and gents. Do join my Discord channel as well. I'll link it down below. Everything you need is there. And subscribe to 99 Bitcoin's YouTube channel if you want to stay on the know for all things hot in the crypto space. Do your own research and due diligence. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but these could be some pretty hot projects. And yeah, things are doing really good so far. Really, really good. Bye for now, guys. See you soon.